Many coffee trends have appeared on TikTok and Instagram, including proffee or protein coffee. Protein coffee is what you probably think it is. It's protein added to coffee. People have been drinking coffee with milk for decades, so adding protein isn't entirely new. Yet with another interest continuously growing, anything protein including coffee may sound like a better for you option. There's no standard recipe for proffee, so exactly how you make it is up to you. So people mix coffee with pre-made protein shakes that pack up 30 grams per single serve container. Others blend their Java with a few scoops of plant protein powder, infusing their coffee with about 20 to 25 grams of protein. Adding 2 scoops of collagen to your brew provides about 11 grams of protein. Another option is to add milk or high protein plant milk such as pea milk, which offers 8 grams of protein per 8 ounces. Collagen has no flavor or aroma, and unsweetened and flavored pea milk is also pretty natural. Still, both will add a rich texture to your coffee. Similar to creamer, amid the proffee trend, keep a few things in mind about the role of protein and how much you should be getting each day. Protein's primary job is to supply amino acids, the building blocks of protein for the ongoing maintenance, repair, and healing of protein tissues in the body. Those include muscles, enzymes, hormones, immune cells, skin, and hair. Because exercise puts wear and tear on the body, your protein needs are more significant if you work out. An optimal daily protein intake for most active people is 1.2 to 2 grams per kilogram of body weight. 1 kilogram equals about 2.2 pounds. The low end is appropriate for people who do a lot of cardio exercises, and the high end is reserved for those engaged in strength programs or strenuous workouts, which stress muscles more than other workouts. More stress requires more healing and therefore more protein. On a per meal basis, a protein intake would like 0.25 to 0.40 grams per kilograms or 2.2 pounds of body weight about 4 or 5 times per day. For a 150-pound person, 68 kilograms, that's a target for 17 to 27 grams of total protein at breakfast. Ideally, you would balance that protein with the other 2 macronutrients your body needs. Consuming protein without enough fat or carbohydrates causes your body to burn the protein for fuel, robbing it from being used for repairing and growing your muscles. If you aim for about 20 grams of protein at breakfast, consider all your sources. For example, if you make your proffee with a ready-to-drink protein shake that packs 20 grams of protein per serving, you don't also need to eat eggs, Greek yogurt, or other protein source at breakfast. On the other hand, if you make your proffee with less protein, such as collagen powder or pea milk, you can round out your meal with a bit more protein. More protein isn't necessarily healthy, so meeting but not exceeding your protein needs is the goal. If your proffee alone meets your protein target, paired with healthful sources of fat and carbohydrates. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, like, share, and comment.